welcome. In this video I will explain how to fix overheating while recording on your GoPro Mission 1 Pro camera. So the first recommendation is to lower your aspect ratio and resolution. So for example, if you are recording in 8K, you can reduce the resolution to 4K. You can also reduce the frame rate along with it. And the second thing that you have to note is that you always have to create some sort of airflow for your camera in case you don't want it to overheat. So if you are indoors or using a tripod, make sure to point a small fan at your camera. And if you are recording outdoors, your camera generally overheats less if you are recording on the move. Besides, also disable the features that you don't need, like for example the quick capture when you don't need it. You can also disable things like LEDs, beeps and voice control, and the GPS, which can be disabled if you go to preferences of your camera and select GPS and switch it off. Besides, also make sure to disable things like connections when you're not using them, and lower your display brightness by going to displays and adjusting the brightness to the optimal level and setting the screensaver to 1 minute. Besides, make sure to keep your camera updated by going to About section, Camera Update, and then scanning this QR code with your smartphone and installing the latest update using Quik application. And if you are recording outdoors and you're planning a long recording session, make sure to power your camera externally using, for example, a power bank. That will reduce internal heat buildup. And generally try to avoid hot environments, so try to keep the camera out of direct sunlight when it's possible, and remove any protective case unless you need it for waterproofing or other purposes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.